along with the 4.7-inch iPhone SE 2. The 5.5-inch iPhone 9 Plus is also expected. Hotly anticipated by Apple fans, the more affordable iPhone 9 smartphone, also called the iPhone SE 2, is known to be delayed due to coronavirus and production disruptions. We already know almost everything about the iPhone 9. Whatever it was called in the end, the novelty will receive an old-fashioned design in the style of the iPhone 8 with the home button, but the platform will be the same as that of the iPhone 11. But now in the recently leaked source network iOS 14 code revealed a very interesting detail. Apparently, there will be a second model, iPhone 9 Plus. The name, again, is hypothetical. That is, yes, Apple is preparing a line of 2 more affordable models. It's a little surprising that up to this point no one had imagined the existence of a second model. All that is known about the new inexpensive smartphone Apple iPhone SE 2, 9, can be found here. Previous rumors pointed to the starting price for the iPhone 9 at $400. iPhone SE started at the same time. There are no details about the iPhone 9 Plus yet, but based on what is known about the iPhone 9, we can assume for the iPhone 9 Plus the design of the iPhone 8 Plus, including a 5.5-inch screen and iPhone 11 features. Earlier, the well-known analyst Min-Chi Kuo indicated the end of March as the estimated timeline for the release of iPhone 9. But, as noted above, due to coronavirus and delays in production, Apple had to postpone the release of new products. When it is now to wait for the line of iPhone 9 and the new iPad Pro, it is unclear.